Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there is of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and just make a... that'll work. A couple of knives in here. A couple of Civivis. Is there a note? Yeah, there is. Awesome. I love notes. Thank you to everybody who sends me notes. Here's the Instagram of the person who sent it. At CXLBIE. Thank you so much. Please give him a follow. Him or her a follow. Because of people like them that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. I will read that here in just a sec. Let's go ahead and just get into the knives here real quick. First one is... Ooh. Was this the new... Yeah, this is the new slip joint. Okay, so this is the new Civivi slip joint. What is the model? Here it is. The, oh, it says price. That's wrong. Hang on, it says right here in the note, I'm sure. Mystery. Okay, well, in any case, I will be linking... I forget the name of this is not a review. This is an unboxing, which means... First time ever handling the knife. I like to do first impressions and then the review a couple of weeks down the road once I've had a chance to play with it. So, this knife will be listed down in the description so that you can check it out. If I remember correctly, this is a very, very inexpensive Civivi. I mean, even considering that Civivi makes generally very inexpensive knives. And yeah, the quality's pretty darn good. I mean, it's kind of what I'd expect from a large Civivi slip joint. This is going to, you know, remedy some of the legality situations in some areas where locking knives are not allowed. So that's cool. Steel on this guy is 8, is it 8CR14? Is that what that says? Easy way, get way in there. Looks like it says 8CR14 MOV. Unless I'm wrong. But in any case, G10, and it looks like ATR14 MOV. If I'm wrong, then, you know, I'm sure the link will have the corrected information in any case, but pretty cool, right? Okay, and the other one here, let's see what we've got. Always happy to take a look at Civivis. This is the Bullmastiff, and it looks like they've got one of those custom, these are, I think, aftermarket, where you can just screw in the... put a thumb stud, you know, kind of wherever you want, and that's kind of cool. I mean, it definitely works where they put it on this guy, but I've not handled the Bullmastiff yet. I have the Mastodon, which is the big cleaver, so it'll be fun to compare those two. I'll link this guy again down below. I don't think, again, first time ever handling this, I don't think this guy actually comes with this little barrel here. I think normally it just comes, you know, as a flipper. And can you do the reverse flick? Yeah, you can. It's not... I mean, it's pretty smooth, but you absolutely can use that fuller there to reverse flick it. So that's cool. This one is very, very thin behind the edge. Pretty cool. I've always been attracted to the little folding cleavers. I think those are neat. So in any case, these two and Civivi knives in general, if you guys want to check out what else they have available, I'll link all that stuff down below. These will be fun to take a look at. Full reviews coming down the road here in a couple of weeks, but I think that's going to be pretty much it today. So once again, thank you so much. Please give them a follow on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.